The SRS airbag, also known as airbag indicator, that there is a problem with the vehicle airbag system, which is also known as supplemental restrain system. If the airbag system or the light stays on, this system includes various crash sensors and the airbag themselves. So, what to do to solve this problem? The airbag light stays on. Kindly do this by then. The SRS computer need a backup battery to retain the data it receives. This battery continues to working even when the vehicle is off or in motion. If the battery is low on power or dead, it can causes the SRS light to go on. The only way to repair this situation is to install a new battery. In most cases, SRS airbag stays on or start flashing and it's on off. You may have a problem with the airbag themselves, or a loose wire, a faulty seat belt buckle, or a problem with the engine control unit (ECU) that is causing the airbag warning light to stay on. Now, to find the airbag light, check the underneath front seat on the driver's side, and the yellow wire indicates the airbag system. So the only way to do it manually without a scan tool is to unplug the yellow socket and wait for 30 minutes and plug it back, start the car and move it around to see whether it will go or not. If this problem didn't solve, then there is a problem along. And the second thing you have to do is also check your fuse box, open it and check the fuse box symbols. Replace the brown fuse box, and if it doesn't happen so, make sure to see your mechanic or your technician. For those using Nissan cars, I have done a lot of videos for this, and the link will put in the video description for you to see. If you are using a Toyota car, kindly disconnect the brown fuse and replace it, but wait for 2 hours before you can fix it back for your airbag light to go off. So this is what you have to do, and this problem will solve permanently. For you to fix a Toyota airbag light, this is the step you have to do. Step 1, turn off the ignition and on off. Step 2, take a quick test drive. Step 3, locate and check the passenger airbag switch. Step 4, check the seat belt to ensure that they are working properly. Step 5, verify if the passenger weight sensor was triggered. Step 6, utilize an OBD-II scanner to reset the code themselves, and this will automatically go for you to know. It will automatically go. For Nissan users, I have already done the video, and the link will put in the video description for you to know the basic steps you can reset your airbag light off. If you want to know where the airbag sensor is indicated, open your hook or the bonnet and check the underneath bonnet hook, which is behind the headlight. There you can find the airbag sensor at the right side and the left side of your car, which is behind the airbag light with a yellow sensor and a black hook button. These are the basic way you can set the airbag light. Another way to do this is to use a scan machine or OBD-II to diagnose it and clear the airbag light or the SRS light on your dashboard permanently, because sometimes it may use a battery to retrain a system and making sure the system is working properly, and it can trigger at any time, especially for Nissan and Honda users. And these are the possible ways you can use. If you have an OBD-II machine, then you are good to go to do that. Kindly plug it, scan the system, and correct the error code because it is indicate and properly meant for accident, and it